Okay, today we'll be opening up these two Pentius oil filters, number PLB3675 and number PLXL3675. And you can get both of these oil filters on Amazon. The PLB3675 costs $6.80 and the PLXL3675 costs $11.41. But I got these two oil filters for free. Yep, a very generous viewer whose name is Jeff from Henderson, Nevada, sent me these two oil filters. Thanks, Jeff. These filters fit his 2011 Chevy Impala LS. Yep, the one with the 3.5 liter V6 engine. Let's see what makes this Pentius filter on my right more expensive than this Pentius filter on my left. So let's get started.
This is some work. You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration everywhere here.
Okay, I'm going to refer to this one as regular, and I'm going to refer to this one as XL, just to make it easier. This is the more expensive one. Alright, so let's look at the box here. And we got some filters that it crosses over to. And that's about all the information that's important on this box. So let's open this box up and see what this filter looks like. We got a date code 3675A88020610. This is all printed on. We got Pentius USA, made in China. And it also has the right here the filters that it crosses over to. And it's got this plastic covering over it. This filter has 7 elongated inlet holes, nitro rubber anti-drain back valve, metal core with holes. There's no bypass valve on this filter. And we got about 4 grooves there for threads. Nitro rubber gasket. It's pretty thick. It's on there nice too. Okay, let's look at the XL. Okay, in the XL filter, it's got quite a bit more writing on the box. Right here it says it's rated up to 10,000 miles. Synthetic and conventional oil. 99% at 20 micron multi-pass filtration efficiency. Silicone anti-drain back valve. And over here we got the filters that it replaces. Okay, so let's open up and see what it looks like. And the date code is right here, but I can't read that. You can see it there in black. I can see leak tested up above it. And it looks like a 17, but I can't read the numbers after that. Maybe I will see it on the video, I don't know. But I can't read it through the lens of this camera. Okay. It's got this coating on it, kind of like the Fram titanium filters. It says made in Korea. And it's got this plastic covering on it also. We got a silicone gasket, which is pretty thick, looks nice. And this filter has 8 inlet holes. Metal core with holes, and also no bypass valve. And about 4 grooves there for threads. Base plates totally look different. Okay, let's open these two filters up and see why this one costs almost twice as much as this one. Alright, be right back. Okay, here they are cut open. Let's get their weights. The regular is 299.1 gram. The XL is 309.5 grams. Let's take a look at the gaskets. And we got the silicone on the right, nitro rubber on the left. I would definitely take the silicone. I'll put a measurement up on the screen of these two. They're almost the same. I guess both will work good though. Base plates. The XL is 119.6 grams. And the regular is 116.6 grams. Let's take a look at it up close. Yeah, they both got about the same amount of grooves, so that's good for threads. The holes probably equal out. These are, you got one extra hole here on the XL, but these are elongated holes, so yeah, they both look good. Let's see how the anti-drain back valves here. We got silicone on the right, nitro rubber on the left. This is the XL on the right. The XL fits on there really nice. Check this out. It stays right on there. Yeah, that covers up the hole real nice. And so does the nitro rubber, but it's a little loose. But that's actually pretty good. Whoops, sorry about that. Yeah, that fits pretty good. And the filter elements. The XL, 84.7 grams. The regular, 74.8 grams. Okay, let's look at the XL. It's got a, this is a regular. Metal crimp seam. And I counted 59 pleats. Pretty deep. But there's no micron rating for this filter. I don't have one anyways, a micron rating or what this is made out of. I couldn't find nothing out. Metal end caps. Yeah. Oh, it's good. The pleats look nicely spaced. A little excess glue right there. Okay, and the XL. The XL's got a seam right here. I don't know if there's a crimp in it. I don't think so. But it's an inside seam. This is paint from the can. I thought I got it all off. No. Okay, there. Nicely spaced pleats. These are deep also. And I counted 61 pleats. And this has a micron rating as you've seen on the box. 99% at 20 microns. Metal end caps. Nice and clean, no excess glue. But I don't know what the filter media is made out of. Okay, and both filters have coil springs. XL is much smaller. Okay, the cans. The XL weighs 85.6 grams. Regular weighs 83 grams. Let's get their measurements. Yeah, 0.63 millimeters. Nice thick cans. And on this XL, I was getting about 0.64. Right there, 0.64 millimeters. Okay, and the widths. This is the regular. This has a width of 2.39 inches wide. And the XL, 2.63 inches wide. Okay, which one's going to have more filter media? I would say the XL. What do you guys think? Let me cut these open, stretch them out, and be right back. Okay, here they are both stretched out. And the regular Pentius is 49.5 inches long. And the XL is 62 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness on these guys. This is the regular Pentius, 0.67 millimeters thick, and this is the XL, 0.86 millimeters thick. So you can see it's quite a bit thicker. And this XL, actually, you'll see it at the end of the video, weighs twice as much as this one here. So here they are up close. The front side, the filter inside. Back side. And let's take a look at these guys under a microscope. So looking under the microscope, I'd say this XL will probably do a better filtering job. It's rated for 99% 20 microns. I don't know what this one is. And it did have a metal crimp seam inside. And with the XL, you have about 45 square inches of more filter media. So let's look at the rest of the filter. So the Korean XL is a lot better in a lot of ways. You know, the silicone gasket, silicone drain back valve, the springs, you know, that don't really matter, coil springs. These guys are the same. The holes, they're kind of rough, but they have this little ridge here, so you know the paper media won't touch it, but they're kind of rough inside. Both filters are like that. And the cans, I would probably give to this one right here, the XL also, because it's just got this nice coating on it. This is sticker. So between these two, I think I'd take this Korean-made XL. What do you guys think about these two filters? Oh, and I also want to show why the filter one was shorter than the other one, because of the pleats. You know, the XL has bigger pleats. And again, I want to thank Jeff for sending me these two oil filters, and I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The PLB filter media weighs 12.9 grams. The PLXL filter media weighs 26 grams.